Hey, before you keep scrolling, I just want you to try this for a second, and it won't take long. Think of one feeling that's been around you today. Nothing dramatic. Just give it a word. Maybe the word is stressed or tired. Or maybe you were irritated at someone at the coffee shop this morning, or a story that you heard earlier made you sad. Good. And in the work that I do with my clients, this is very important to do every so often. Now, here's the important part. You don't have to fix it. You don't have to explain it. We're not going to try to turn this into a thing. Just notice, oh, this is here. That's it. That's the work. Because sometimes the moment that we feel something uncomfortable, our brains start to try to solve it right away. But I want you to notice what happens when we don't solve it right away. It's actually not asking, why do I feel this? Or how do I make this stop? Or what does this mean? It's just a feeling that is here. And a thought might be here too. And we don't have to solve either right now. Cool. It's just our mind trying to help. They're very ambitious little problem solving machines, these minds of ours are. But notice we have feelings, and that doesn't always mean that we need to set up a meeting and resolve everything right now. Sometimes they just need a little bit of space. Thoughts sometimes have feelings attached to them. And take 1 second and notice, what are the feelings that are showing up? And then notice where in your body you're storing them. Maybe it's something that's in your chest. Maybe it's in your stomach. Maybe it's in your shoulders you're carrying it. Or maybe it's nowhere obvious. You know what? That's okay too. It's just a sensation. Good. All we did was check, and that's the practice. You notice the feeling without turning it into an emergency. And that's emotional regulation, and you just did that. It's a very important work, especially if you've had a lot on your mind. Your body's been holding more than usual lately. And if there is, be mindful of that too, because that's self-awareness, and what you just did is what the work actually is. So later today, if a feeling shows up, try this. Oh, this is here. And just pause and take a breath, and then just keep going. Not every emotion is a crisis, and not every emotion means drama, or every thought needs a breakthrough right now. What we're offering ourselves is just a little bit more room around what we're feeling. There's more space now. Cool. Well done. You know what? That counts. And now you can tell people you emotionally regulated today. It's deep work. And it becomes regulating over time as well. A little shift now, a little shift later. And in time, it all adds up. Maybe you don't completely understand it right now, but you'll see what I mean in time.